Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo A57s, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. Okay, so if you have tired of the standard appearance of your device, I suggest you change the wallpapers, change your themes, and now I will show you top 3 best themes in my humble opinion for this device. So at the third place of my top is a Niagara launcher. To install it, just open Play Store and find here Niagara launcher. Great. Find it and install. Click open. Click agree. Choose your favorite apps. Click OK. And great. As you can see, it's a really simple launcher with a user-friendly and minimalistic interface. In order to find any application in this launcher, you just need to touch your finger to the alphabet and drag your finger to the desired letter. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just drag your finger to P letter and just open Play Store. Great! On the second place of my top is Smart Launcher 6. So find this launcher and install it. Click open. Wait a while, click get started. I agree, confirm, continue while using the app. Hello. Wait a while, confirm, and click on the cross in the right top corner. Great. Now you can set this launcher as default. And great. Now we have this launcher as default. And as you can see, we have a really great launcher with a great user interface. But the most common feature of this launcher is app grouping in the app drawer. If you want to group your apps, you don't need to do anything because this launcher groups your apps automatically. So as you can see here, I have all my contacts applications, here I have all my internet applications, here I have all my games, media and utilities and settings. So it's really useful. I suggest you try this launcher because it's really simple and pretty. Okay, and in the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So find Play Store, open Play Store and find Microsoft Launcher and install it. Click open, get started by using the app, allow, continue, and great. So now we can connect our launcher to our Microsoft account. And if you will connect your Microsoft account to this launcher, then you will be able to receive messages and receive calls on your Windows device. So if you have Windows laptop or Windows PC, You can create an ecosystem with your Android device and with your Windows device. So I suggest to try it. I will skip it now because I want to show you the user interface of this launcher only. And great, cool. So as you can see, here we have simple, maybe not so simple, but simple interface. Here we have weather, here we have time, here we have our home screen, here we have bottom panel of our favorite apps, here we have app drawer. And why I love this launcher? Of course, because ecosystem, and because here we have widgets panel on the left panel of our home screen. This panel called Glance. We can remove pre-installed widgets. If you want to remove, just click on the three-dot button and click Hide. Then you can add your favorite widgets to your launcher. For example, if you are not using, if you don't use Microsoft Calendar, you can just add Google Calendar widget to your Glance panel. Okay, but if you want to set this launcher as default, you need to open Settings, then find your apps. Here find default apps, find your home app and choose Microsoft Launcher. Great, now Microsoft Launcher is our home application. And great, why I love this launcher, it's because you can configure your launcher in the way you want. You can change anything you don't like and customize. All icon packs are supported by this launcher, so you can change icons, you can change the color accent and even the widgets bar too. So here we have launcher setup, launcher settings. So here we can set up, customize themes, home screen, dock, app drawer, gestures. So let's check how many gestures we have. We can use pinch in just or pinch out, two finger swipe up or swipe down, so just swipe up, swipe down. You can customize everything and set up this launcher in a way you want. So I really think that it's the best launcher. You can use this launcher on different devices, and in all your devices your icons will be will looks the same in the same way, and all your settings of this launcher will be synced between your devices. So I really think that it's the best launcher for Android device, for your Realme device, and I'm so sorry, for Oppo device. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.